Faceless YouTube automation. I started my YouTube automation journey back in July of 2022. And since then, I posted a total of 40 videos. I've learned a ton about this business model, monetized the channel, and I have a much better understanding of how to create a successful YouTube channel overall. And I did all of this without ever showing my face, writing any scripts, doing any voiceovers or video editing. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how much I've made, how I did it, and what I've learned along the way. Now, if you watched my last video about YouTube automation, you would know that I started out this journey by purchasing a channel that was already monetized. However, after posting 18 videos on that channel, it was unfortunately demonetized by YouTube. The reason YouTube gave me for demonetization was reuse content, which basically is just a blanket term they give most channels when they believe something fishy is happening with their content. And in all honesty, they were right for doing so. The company that I bought the channel from basically just uploaded a couple crappy pieces of content and drove 4,000 watch hours to them, which was even more sus than Drake in his last album. What I took from this is that I needed to start fresh and grow a channel organically. It was a risk, but on the other side of the coin, I risked continuing to dump thousands of dollars into a channel that may never be approved for monetization again. So I decided to start over in September of 2022, which is when I started to see months of content optimization and marketing efforts begin to pay off. So in the month of September, I generated a total of 6,600 views, 140.8 watch hours, and 314 subscribers. Now, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, this is not fully organic traffic from YouTube's algorithm. I was fortunate enough to have a guy named Kabir reach out to me on one of my YouTube videos offering his marketing services, which included SEO optimization, paid traffic through YouTube and Google ads, organic traffic through hundreds of Facebook and LinkedIn groups, as well as some boosted watch hours and subscribers. He did a great job and helped me reach monetization for this channel in just 3 months, which to me is completely worth it. And because of his services, I've had zero issues with YouTube's monetization policy. He's always told me that he can work around any budget, so if you are interested in his marketing services, I'll leave his email in the top of the description of this video. He's not paying me to promote him or to share his information. I just believe it's important to be transparent, and Kabir was a huge help for me in this journey. So shout out to him, let him know that I sent you, and I'm sure he'll hook you up with a good deal. With that being said, you can see how the channel grew rather quickly month over month. In October, the channel generated a total of 8,600 views, 3,100 watch hours, and gained 623 subscribers. In November, we did dip a bit, but we did reach monetization right at the end of the month. We gained a total of 5,400 views, 985.2 watch hours, 170 subscribers, and made a total of 13 cents. And on November 23rd, I did discontinue the marketing services from Kabir, and because of that, you can see a pretty noticeable dip in performance on the graph. Now in December, this is where things start to look fairly different. I only posted 3 videos, and on top of this, I stopped paying for the marketing services. Now this was for a few reasons. The channel had already reached monetization, and in my mind, it was time to start focusing on creating the best and most engaging content that I can in order to grow the channel organically. But on top of this, the job that I was working and my main income stream was scheduled to end December 9th. So in an effort to save some money for the holidays and an upcoming move to San Diego, I decided to take a break from posting videos on this channel so I could continue funding the creation of more content. But there is exciting news about this at the end of this video. So in December, the channel had generated a total of 639 views, 37.8 watch hours, gained 2 subscribers, and made a grand total of $3.18. Mind you, this is 100% organic traffic. What I learned about YouTube automation in this month was very important. Pretty much my entire time of creating videos for this channel, I was taking this shotgun approach to the make money online niche. And this included everything from passive income streams to top 10 business ideas to lifestyles of the rich and famous, stock market news, etc. I took this approach because I really didn't know what was going to be the best style of video for me and for the channel. And I really didn't know what was going to produce the best results. So I wanted to continue producing these different styles of content until one thing seemed to stick. What I found was that the videos I did centered around celebrity come-up stories and news had much better engagement and were able to generate hundreds of views as opposed to the 50 views or less on the other style of content I was producing. Now, if we take a look at one of the most recent videos on that channel, which is about Nick Cannon and the controversies he's been surrounded in, you can see that it generated a total of 529 views, 30.3 watch hours, gained a total of 4 subscribers, and generated a whole $1 in revenue. Again, 100% organic traffic. Now, I know it's not incredible results, but it's at least some encouragement that things are moving in the right direction. And moving forward from now, this is the niche that I will continue focusing my energy and efforts on in order to gain the best results. Since starting the second channel back in September, it's gained a total of 21,500 views, 4,300 watch hours, it's gained 1,109 subscribers, and made a grand total of $3.58. I've uploaded a total of 40 videos across 2 channels, and I've spent roughly about $4,000 to $5,000 on getting it where it is today. And I'm happy to say that this channel is not just going to fade away into the YouTube abyss. I'm serious about making this channel extremely profitable and eventually making a full-time income from just YouTube alone. And although I'm still out of a job and looking for work, I've decided to partner up with one of you guys, my subscriber, and now my friend named Brandon. He has a wealth of knowledge about YouTube automation, and funny enough, we met because he simply booked a call using the link in the description of these videos. Since my automation channel was already monetized and heading in the right direction, he offered to fund video production for the next few months and work with me to make this channel successful. And I graciously accepted his offer. So I'm happy to announce that we are 50-50 partners on the YouTube automation channel. And I can't wait to see the fruits of our labor over the next few months. In my opinion, 2 minds are better than 1, and there will be more updates soon to come. Thank you all so much for watching this video all the way through. It means the world to me. And thank you for sticking with me as I continue to figure out how to make YouTube videos and embarrass myself online for hundreds, if not thousands to see. I will see you all in a couple of weeks from my new home in San Diego.